everyone, Lisa Borchard with Real Property Management Phoenix Valley. We have decided to move our Manage My Home podcast over to a short video. So hopefully everyone will like this. They'll find it a little more convenient, a little bit easier to access. So let us know, like us, swipe us, let us know if you like it, give us some feedback. Today we're going to talk about the eviction moratorium, which I know really everyone in the property management and investment property world has been talking about. We all know it's been extended till October, but today we're going to talk a little bit about a different side of the moratorium. So basically, when all of this started happening with the courts, the judges were not issuing, I shouldn't say were not, they are not issuing judgments right away. And that was because tenants were claiming that they had filed for rental assistance. So we had a particular situation where this was the case, and the first time we went to court, the judge gave the tenant continuance to see if they would get their rental assistance in. We then followed up with the agency where the tenant had applied for the assistance, and only to come to find out that the tenant never finished the file. So unfortunately, this particular tenant was pretty much using the excuse of getting the rental assistance to avoid being removed from the property. So we were able to get someone on the phone at the organization they'd filed for. They pulled the file, said that they'd reached out to the tenant numerous times. The tenant has never submitted the required paperwork. Additionally, it turns out that the tenant had obtained assistance from this agency prior, so the tenant was well aware of what was required. So as a result of this, we filed a motion to contest with the court, and we're hoping that therefore we can move forward with evicting the tenant and getting possession of the property back. So I think that this is an important topic for everyone here in the Arizona area to know, because it's well within your right as a landlord to get the name of wherever your tenant's saying they filed for assistance. Call that location, make sure that the file is complete, because if it is, then you should be receiving rental assistance on behalf of the tenant in about 30 days from that from the tenant filing the application. So it's just important this way, as a landlord, if your tenant really is following the steps, because if they aren't and you're not going to get the rental assistance, then you really should be able to go back to the court and try to petition so that you can, evict the tenant and get the possession back of the property. So hopefully, you'll find this tip helpful. Check us out next month. Thanks.